Hi guys! It's another video of Taste Serie. Today, I ordered Wendy's burger. Yeah. So, ito siya guys. And then, now, sige, tingnan ko muna yung resibo. Tingnan yung resibo. Tingnan natin yung order. So, I ordered Baconator single combo. So, ito yung may kasama ng fries, guys. Tapos, drinks. And then, bale, 2 order. And then, I ordered chicken with spaghetti. And then, mango honey salad. Nakita ko kasi, guys. And that's my favorite. Yeah. I usually order that. Yeah. Kasi, sa kantin namin sa school, may ganon. Gumagawa si Ma'am Chris ng honey salad. At ang sarap niya. So, I ordered that. Now, titingnan natin, guys. Hi, Wendy. Sana masarap ka. Sana masarap ka. Now, let's try this, guys. Titikman natin. And then, kukompare natin kung eto ba yung mas masarap o yung Burger King. So, hindi ko alam ito. Let's see. Oh, it's the fries. Ito yung fries nila, guys. Oh. Wow. Ang daming fries. I think natapon. I guess anak natapon. Nakot. Sige. Natapon mo. Next is this, the Baconator. It's a burger, guys. Let's see.
Luhan ketchup yan?
Lagay ng ketchup. And then, I ordered chicken with spaghetti. Gusto ko kasi tikman yung spaghetti nila, guys, kung masarap. Nako. Yeah, now. Ano ba ito, anak? Nako, ito pala yun. Kainin mo, ha. Nak, may nalalaglag pa dito, oh. Ngayon, tatry na natin, guys, yung burger nila. And then, let's see kung masarap. So, 100% pure beef hamburger. Tingnan natin yung loob. Oh, see. Wow. Mukha ngang masarap. Now, first bite, guys. Na, ikaw muna. Oh, titikman mo. Burger. Ma'am, fries ikaw.
Tad may anay. Nemo.
Okay.
Yung ano
Si mama muna. Okay, first bite.
Ato talita na.
Ha?
Ato talita na.
Oo. Ay, nakalimutan ko ipakita sa inyo yung kanin salad, guys. I ordered salad
Hindi ko na udat ng price.
dito sa lalagyan. Sa kabila yun. Yan. This is the kanin salad. Yeah.
Ay,
Mango
pa?
kanin salad. Meron.
Dapat sauce.
Guys, masarap to, promise. Ano to? Lettuce, tapos merong crab stick, and then mango.
Chopstick.
Mm-mm.
Asin salad de mango.
Kasi may mango. Kaya nga mango kanin salad. Masarap to. Mamaya, tikman natin. Now, let's try the burger. Sir JV, thank you so much for the treat. Yeah. Thank you so much, Sir JV. Sir JV told us na masarap daw ang live si Sir JV. Masarap daw to, Wendy's burger. Actually guys, wala nito sa South Mall. We ordered alabang pa. So here,
Guys ready? Let's go for a walk.
rock. Wala siyang tomato. Bacon. Cheese.
Ya ako na ila sa cheese.
Malaglag. Ito yung ano. Masarap
Kasi
to.
undan pa na ni ka iso. Wala ulan.
Hindi naman marami yung cheese.
One slice.
Tapos ketchup. Ang laki ng beef nila. Oh. Sarap. Rice lang daw muna siya, guys. Wala, masarap. Promise. Sarap siya, guys. Thank you, Sir GM. Love it. Tikman ko yung fries. Asan sa sausaw eh?
Thank you, John. Gotta get water out of my boots now.
Ang sarap ng burger.
To see if Ash has what it takes to pass the grand trial. Free trial.
Mas masarap yung burger ko.
Give me a chance with a free trial, won't you?
Gotta get water out of my boots now.
That's so nice of you. Thanks very much. Awesome. We will now begin the free trial battle between Ash from Palatown and Nanu, the island food
Oh.
of the island.
Tikman mo, anak, masarap.
Thanks for doing this.
Yeah. Sarap. Sige nga. Out of 10, ilan?
It's a crocodile.
You guys ain't getting good sunrise. It's too cloudy.
The intimidation Pokemon, a ground and dark type. Crocodile can see the smallest prey from
8 pa rin?
even in the middle of the sea.
Ba't 8?
Nando pa to yung burger ng Jollibee.
Mas masarap to.
Mayonis yan.
Kasi hindi ka nasanay sa ganito, may cheese. Pero masarap. Sarap, diba? Guys, promise masarap. 10 out of 10. Mas gusto ko to. Next, tatry ko guys yung kanin. Na-try ko yung salad nila. I know masarap. Nasa sense ko.
Alright. We got 32 amazing people in here, 141 likes. Thank you all very much. Appreciate it.
Cheers na kani, guys.
I'm losing a little bit of guns. Lazy for like 3 weeks.
I know masarap to. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys, ha. May kasama na siyang sauce. Look the sauce. Tapos, guys,
Wow, wala sila.
here's the kani. Wow. Love it. Kani plus burger. Sarap.
Lasa?
Sarap. Ngayon, tatry na natin siya, guys. Tapos, lalagyan ko ng sauce. Sorry. Try natin, guys, kung masarap. Ano bang ano na? Gunting? Unang magunting si mama na gulay. Huwag na lang. Kakadatin na lang. Masarap to. Salad.
Ano ang tagsa?
Hindi lettuce yan. Tapos crab stick. Tapos mango. Masarap yan, anak, promise.
The cucumber.
Alam mo, paborito to ni mama. Tapos pag ginagawa namin
South Dakota, we're at the Missouri River.
pag sa school to, gumagawa si Ma'am Chris. Masarap. Yan o, may hinog naman ba
Pwede
yun?
ba na?
Masarap na yan. Hindi ka mahalo ni mama eh. Dapat pala nilipat ko. May pipino.
Masarap, ma?
Masarap. Gusto mo tikman? Tikman mo, anak. Tikman mo, dali. Pwede nga itong gawin sa bahay eh. Kasi hindi ko mahalo na maayos na. Dapat kasi ito talaga nahalo. Masarap. Wow. Ang konti nga ng sauce nila eh. Sarap to pag punong-puno ng sauce. Ang masarap to, guys.
We tried. I couldn't do a thing, no matter what. Sorry, like it rock.
Drumstick.
I just blew it. Miss Lola,
Masarap to pag nahalo talaga.
train? That would be awesome. To train?
It's definitely a fun place to fish.
I know. Why don't you meet
Kasi mahalo, guys. Sobrang ang sarap nito.
Still pretty.
That's Lula's Island Guardian. We met it once. I'm sure Tapu Bulu will help you to train. No doubt. Yeah, you think? Well, what do you say to that?
Healthy kaya to, ano?
Power up.
Try mo nga.
Ash has decided to stay on Hula Hula Island to train for Nanu's grand trial. But will our hero be able to train with Tapu Bulu? We'll soon find out as the journey continues.
Sarap.
Wow, wala.
Promise guys, sarap. Naubos mo na yung fries.
Ako yan
The
tali.
best. Hmm?
Ako yan tali.
Ang sarap. Thank you so much guys. Sarap din yung burger. Sarap, ano?
What up, fishing, hunting outdoors? Michelle, thanks for staying.
Sir JV, thank you so much. Thank you for the
Fishing, hunting
treat.
outdoors. You guys have to
Sarap.
pick up fishing, hunting outdoors.
Sarap yung kanilang
End up in comment.
burger.
Click on the name, go to the channel, give them a subscribe. Go watch
Masarap
the
naman
video,
lahat.
check them out.
Gusto ko yung kanin salad and then yung burger.
Keep stuff that you're supposed to do by law, I'm pretty sure.
Thank you guys.
Pagko yan yung ketchup na to. Ang ketchup ma.
Ano pa pala sila?
You just wait till I catch you next time. Just wait till I catch you next time.
To the ruins of
Sarap.
abundance.
Hmm? Thank you guys. Sir Jay, thank you. And thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you, Sir Jay. More blessings to you and to your family. We love you. Thank you so much. Just enjoying the fries, guys. Same rate pa rin yung burger, guys. Pero ako nagustuhan ko yung burger.
7 ton ato. Ay,
7?
8 na increase of isa.
8? 8 ang sayo? Hindi 8. Thank you. Thank you so much, Sir G. God bless you. And thank you guys for your unending support. Love you.
Just looking ever.